Hello, student. Okay, welcome to this class on reasoning. I hope all of you can hear my voice. So today is a class on cubes and dice as well as your number puzzles. Okay, two topics we are covering today: cubes and dice and number puzzle. So let us first start with number puzzle. We'll finish that topic and then we'll move on to your cubes. Okay, in case you have any doubt while I'm explaining you this, please put your doubt here in the chat box. In case you want to put it as a private chat, please put it to co-host, okay, and not to host. As you can see it here, the host is speaking and the co-host will be reading your messages. Okay, so any private message, please put it to co-host. Okay, let's start with the first topic. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. Just let me know in the chat box if you can clearly see my screen as well as hear my voice so that we can start with the topic. Okay, so let's start. So the first topic here is number puzzle. Okay, what is a number puzzle? As the name says, it is a puzzle that is being formed by using numbers. Okay, so the brief here is use the outer four numbers. The outer four numbers that you can see here 7, 4, 5, and then 6. Use them, add them, subtract them, multiply them, divide them, do whatever you want to do with them. Give me the middle number. Okay, you cannot use any external number. That is also a case here. So use the outer four number, give me the middle number. Okay, confirm the logic with this. Apply the logic here and tell me what will come at the place of x. Okay, so start thinking now. How will you do this? Okay, so let's start with this. I can see all the answers here. One answer is correct here by Saloni. Answer is 22. Okay, now let's see how do you reach to that answer. So the logic here is this. If you call them as A, B, C, D, then the logic here is multiply first A into C. So 7 into 5 is 35. Okay, plus D plus B. 6 plus 4 is 10. 35 plus 10, it is 45. Okay, similarly, keep it here. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so it is A into C. 12 into 7, 84. Okay, plus D plus B. 5 plus 4 is 9. 84 plus 9 is equals to 93. And so you have to apply the same logic here. If you call them as A, B, C, D, it is first A into C, 22 into 3, 66. Okay, plus 11 plus X. The entire thing is equal to 99. So what is the value of X then? 22. Okay, so only when X is 22, you will get the 99 here. Okay, so answer here is option number 2, 22. Okay, that's how you solve such puzzle. Now let's see few more and you will understand what should be the approach. So as I said earlier, such kind of a problem are more about practice because it can be any puzzle. There could be any logic associated to the puzzle. So the more you solve such problem, the better will be your instinct to solve them. Okay, so let's practice few more now. The brief here is same. Use the outer 4 number, give me the middle number. Confirm the logic here and tell me what will come here at the place of X. Okay, time up now for this problem. So let me help you with what is the actual logic here for this. Okay, so this is actually a difficult puzzle. And this is what you should do in exam as well. If you're not getting the puzzle, move on to the next puzzle. Okay, there is nothing much that you can do if the puzzle is this difficult. Okay, so what is the logic here? The logic here is this: A, B, C, D. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so the logic here is D square plus B square. So D square, 5 square, 25, plus B square, 3 square, 9, 24 plus 9 is 34, minus A into C. Okay, so 4 into 1 is what? 4. 34 minus 4, it is 30. Okay, similarly do it here. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so it is D square plus B square. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. This becomes 41. Okay, minus A into C. 3 into 2 is 6. 41 minus 6, it is 35. Okay, so apply the same logic here. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so it is D square plus B square. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. So this is equal to what? 85. Okay, minus A into C. So what will you keep at the place of X? 15. It's only when X is 15, 1 into 15, it will be 15, and 85 minus 15 will give you 70. So answer here is option number 1, 15. Okay, so as you can see it here, this was a difficult puzzle. Okay, this was not very easy puzzle that you will get it as soon as you see it. Okay, you have to spend 30 to 40 seconds on this in the exam. If you're not getting it, move on to the next problem. Okay, there is nothing much that you can do with this. Ideally, with little bit of practice, you should get such problem. Okay, let's try one more. So the brief here is same. Use the outer 4 number. Give me the middle number. Confirm the logic here. Tell me what will come at the place of x. Okay, so most of you got the answer to it. The answer to this is 130. Okay, so see if the puzzle is easy, you will get the answer. So the logic here is also very simple. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so it was square all the numbers that are there outside and add them. So A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. So 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 1 square 1. Okay, add all of them 30. Okay, similarly do it here. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so 5 square 25 plus 1 plus 2 plus 16. Add all of them 46. And so will you do it here. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 8 square 64, 6 square 36. Add all of them 130. And that's your answer. So as I said earlier, if it's an easy one, you should get it. Okay, let's try one more. The brief here again is same. Crack the logic of this, apply it to the last one, and let me know what will come at the place of x.
Would be 29. 4 तरी 12 14 છે 14 28 minus 12 28 minus 7 ચોકો ચોકો 16 દિવ્યાંશ પાસે તૃતીય આવી ગયો ચાલો એ બહુ મોટો એક મુસીબત નામની માણસ છે જાનવી ગામની પંચાયત બી આવી ગઈ છે અમારા શોપમાંથી નહીં જતો 20 ને 6 28 cross. I'm not able to get it.
Okay, time up now. So let me solve this puzzle for you. Before I solve it, I'll give you a hint. So the hint here is divide. Okay, divide something and try. Sorry, students, I lost connection. So let me just re-log in again. Okay. I hope you can see my screen now. So let me go back to where we left. So this is where we were. Okay, so now let's see what is the answer to this. So one student said that the answer is 16 and the right answer is 16 only. Okay, so what is the logic to this? Let's see here. The logic here is this. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so it is D into B, 4 into 3, 12. Okay, plus A divided by C, 14 divided by 2, 7. 12 plus 7, it is 19. Okay, apply the same logic here. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so D into B is 6 into 4, 24. Okay, plus 20 divided by 4 is 5. 24 plus 5 is 29. Okay? Similarly, do it here. If you call them as A, B, C, D, so D into B, 9 into 5 is 45. How much more do you need to reach to 49? 4. How will you get a 4 here if there is a 16 here? Okay, so only when it's a 16 here you will get a 4. So answer here is option number 5, 16. Okay, this is how you solve it. Can you hear me? I think again I lost the connection. Can you hear me? Is the voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so done with this puzzle now. Okay, let's see the next one. So this should be your trick. Just practice more such problem. Okay, because in all these problems you need a practice. So after this class, when you solve the exercise problem, see so many problems on number puzzles that you develop the right instinct to think for them. Now, what we studied till now is called as a number puzzle missing number. Okay, this is one type in which they can ask you a number puzzle problem. There are other types as well. So it's a puzzle that is being made by using numbers, right? So it can be made in any which ways. This is the next type. It is called as mathematical wheel. Okay, so this time also there will be numbers that will be given to you, but this time they are in a mathematical wheel. You have to crack the pattern by which the numbers are placed in this wheel. Okay, so try cracking the pattern here and tell me what will come here then at the place of X. Okay, start thinking. There is some pattern by which numbers are placed here. Okay, you have to crack that pattern. Okay, so let us see what is the answer here now. You are saying that the answer is 132. So let's check it. See, here you have to observe the diagonally opposite numbers. Okay, so it's 2 here. Okay, so what is the next number after 2? 3. 2 into 3, it is 6. Okay, similarly, check here. Here it is 5. So what is the next number after 5? 6. 5 into 6, it is 30. Check it here, it is 8. After 8, the next number is 9. 8 into 9 is 72. So that is your logic to solve. N into n plus 1, where this number is nothing but your n. So it is 11 here. What is the next number after 11? 12. 11 into 12 is what? 132. And that's your answer. Okay, which is option number 3. So just multiply that number with the next number after that. and write the product here. Okay, let's try a few more such problems. So this is your next problem now. Again, the brief here is same. The numbers that are placed here have some pattern. Crack that pattern and tell me what will come here at the place of x. Okay. So the answer to this is, as rightly said by one student, it is 36. Okay, so what is the logic here? The logic here is quite simple. It's into 1 minus 1. Okay, so check it here. Again, diagonally opposite. It's 9 here. 9 into 1 is 9. Minus 1 is 8. Okay, next is into 2 minus 2. So 7 into 2 is 14 minus 2 is 12. Next is into 3 minus 3. 8 into 3 is 24 minus 3 is 21. Next is into 4 minus 4. 10 into 4 is 40 minus 4 is 36. Okay, so the answer here is 36. So as you can see, this is nothing but a normal number series problem only, but it is being put into the mathematical wheel and it is made to look like a puzzle. Okay, so as I said, it could be any logic. Okay, as you practice more, you will understand various logic. Let's try one more. So again, here the brief is same. The numbers that are placed here have some pattern. Crack the pattern and tell me what will come here at the place of x. Okay, time up now. So one student gave the answer which is 24, and that's the right answer. Okay, so how did you get 24 here?
Multiplication.
Again, see the diagonally opposite number. Okay, not necessary that it will always be diagonally opposite. Okay, in this sum, 3 to 4 sums which we have solved, in this it is diagonally opposite. Okay, not always that it will be diagonally opposite. So check here, what is the logic? Just multiply. Product of opposite is 72. 8 into 9, 72. 12 into 6, 72. So 18 into 4, 72. Right? Product of diagonally opposite is 72. So what will come at the place of x such that the product is 72, 24? It's only when x is equals to 24, 24 into 3, it will be 72. So our answer is 24, option number 4. Okay, that's how you think. Uh, can you hear me clearly? Because again, I lost connection. Is my voice clear to you? Just let me know once. Okay, because I'm losing connection again and again. And please, no private message to host, because I just saw few of you are putting a private message to host. I won't be able to read it. Okay, I'm reading messages on my phone. So any private message should go to co-host. Okay, let's see the next problem. So this is your next puzzle now. Again, here the brief is same. Crack the logic and tell me what will come here at the place of x. Okay, time up now. Anyone got any answer to this? Okay, I'll give you the hint. The hint here is, this is similar to the previous problem. Correct. Shreyash got it now. The answer is 3. Okay, what is the logic to it now? How is the answer 3? Let's check it here. See, again, diagonally opposite multiply. 8 into 4, 32. Okay, then 17 into 2, 34. Then 35 into 1, 35. So 32 here, 34 here, 35 here. So what will come here? 33. How will you get a 33 here when the value of x is 3? So 11 into 3, it will be 33. So x will be equal to 3. Okay, that's how you solve such puzzle. So as I said at the start, please practice more such problem, which will be there in your exercise. Okay, and be good with it, because most of the puzzles here are about practice. The more you practice, the better you will be at solving them. Okay, because there is no fixed logic like this is how they will ask you the puzzle. It can come by any logic. Okay, so you need to practice them enough to get the click in the exam. Okay, so this was our first topic for today. That was number puzzle. Let's start with the second topic for today, which will be cubes. Okay, so the first thing that you are supposed to know about a cube is how does a cube look like? Okay, because we'll be coloring the cube, cutting the cube. So first thing that you need to understand is exactly how does a cube look like. Okay, so what is the difference between a cube and a cuboid? So something that I had put it here. So what is a cuboid? This yellow figure that you can see here on the screen is a cuboid. Okay, that is how a cuboid looks like. So if I make someone sit here, imagine this to be your room. Okay, the room in which you and I are sitting right now. So this is the best example of a cuboid, the room. Okay, this is the floor. This is the ceiling. Okay, this is the wall in the front. This is the wall at the back. This is the wall to the right and wall to the left. Okay, so the best example of a cuboid is a room. Your room has three things. It has a length and a width and a height. Okay, so say this is 10, this is 5, this is 7. It has a length and a width and a height. When all these three become equal, which means length is equals to width is equals to height, when all these three becomes equal, okay, like say 5, 5, 5, then your room, which is a cuboid, will look like a cube. So your room itself is a cube, okay, given the fact that length is equals to width is equals to height. What is the best example of a cube? The Rubik's cube, okay, which we use to solve puzzle, match colors and solve puzzles, right? That is the best example of a cube. Okay, so this is how a cube looks like. Now, what are you supposed to know about the cubes? There's three things. Okay, edge, vertices, and corner. Faces, sorry, edge, vertices, and faces. Okay, these are the three things you're supposed to know about a cube. So, what is a face? Face is nothing but walls. So, how many walls are there in your room? If I consider the floor and ceiling to be a wall as well, how many walls are there, or how many faces are there in a cube? Six walls, right? Floor, ceiling, 1, 2, wall in the front, wall in the back, 3, 4, and then the wall to the right, and then the wall to the left. Okay, 5, 6. So 6 walls are there in your room, 6 faces are there to a cube. What is the meaning of wall? Faces. Vertices. Vertices means corner. So can you think and tell me, look at your room and tell me, how many corners are there in a cube, or how many corners are there in your room? Yes. How many corners are there? 8. Okay, as you can check it here, I'll put it here as well. 8 corners. Which are those 8 corners? Check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or you can say 4 in the front, 4 at the back. If you don't want to look it in that way, so you can put it like 4 in the front, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the front and 4 at the back. 8 corners are there in a cube. And corner means what? Vertices. So how many vertices? 8. Okay, and then comes the last, which is edges. Edges means boundary. So can you think and tell me how many boundaries are there in your room? So let me draw a few boundaries or edges here. Edges means boundary. So let's check it here. I can easily draw here 4 at the top. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the top. Then I can draw 4 at the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I can draw 4 across. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are there. Okay, I hope you are able to see all 12 of them. Okay, let me just redraw it for you. These are the 4. First 4 at the top. First, second, third, 4. 4 at the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 across. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 boundaries are there. Okay, this is what you're supposed to know first. Walls means faces. Vertices means corner. And edges means boundary. Again, how many boundaries are there? 12. Okay, make sure you memorize this now, because this will be very helpful to solve all the problems on cube. Okay, I hope all of you are able to visualize. Now, since we got it, how the cube looks like, vertices, faces and edges are there. How many? We know that. Let's solve our first sum on cube. Okay, so understand this problem really well. I can solve this problem in 30 seconds just by giving you the formula, but that will be of no use, because for some problem you have to visualize. Okay, so visualize it right. So what is given here? Let's read that. A 3 by 3 by 3 cube is colored red on all the faces. Okay, what is the meaning of 3 by 3 by 3? All 3 sides are of 3 centimeter. Okay, that is the meaning of 3 by 3 by 3 cube. Is colored red on all the faces. So all the faces of this cube, I'm coloring it as red, all of them. So I'm coloring it completely red from outside. Okay, then what? Then it is cut into 27 smaller cubes of equal size. Okay, which means what? Understand. See, this was your cube, full cube, which was of 3 centimeter. And these are your 27 smaller cubes. This is one. Okay, this is second. This is how you can see here 9 at the top. Okay, 9 in the middle, 9 at the bottom. This is how you are cutting the cube into 27 smaller cubes. So can you tell me what will be the size of each of this cube? Each of this 27 cube, what will be the size of it? Bada cube 3 centimeter ka tha. Ye 27 smaller cubes will be of what size? Equal size bola hai. What is the equal size? Can you think? No, the bigger cube is of 3 centimeter. Each of the smaller cubes, see, हर एक side से कितना cube आएगा? 3. Right? So each of this smaller cube will be of what size? Each of the smaller cube will be of what size? 1 centimeter. Right? That is again quite understandable. This will be of 1 centimeter. So that's what they are saying when they are saying equal size. So visualize it right. Okay, what has happened here now? A 3 centimeter cube, a bigger cube, is cut into 27 smaller cubes of 1 centimeter. Okay, but before you cut it, you first paint it red. Okay, completely from outside. So पहले बाहर से पूरा red paint कर दिया. Then it is being cut into 27 smaller cubes of equal size. Now let me give you a further visualization. How will this happen? So I'm sure अब तक visualization हो गया, but let me give you further visualization. How will you cut it? So just imagine ये cube है and I'm doing two cuts like this. एक cut ऐसे किया and one cut I do it like this. Imagine this two cut, this two cut. So just with this two cut, can you tell me how many equal parts will I cut the cube into? Just with this two cut. इस दो कट के साथ क्यूब कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स में कट होगा, ये क्वेश्चन है. थिंक ऑन इट. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग ये 27 में कट कैसे होगा. 9 नहीं, 3 पार्ट्स में होगा. ओके कैसे? एक टॉप में होगा, एक मिडिल में होगा, एक बॉटम में होगा. Right, so with this two cut you are cutting the cube into 3 equal parts, one at the top, one in the middle, one at the bottom. Okay, I hope all of you are able to visualize. अब क्या करोगे? Mix this cut, this two cut I am doing it here, so something like this. Watch this green, one like this and one like this. So now can you think and tell me, with this 4 cuts the cube will be cut into how many equal parts? With this 4 cuts, इस 4 कट के साथ क्यूब कितने इक्वल पार्ट में कट होगा? 9. करेक्ट. अभी जो टॉप में 1 पार्ट था that will be cut into 3. टॉप का 1 पार्ट will be cut into 3, मिडिल का 1 पार्ट will be cut into 3, बॉटम का 1 पार्ट will be cut into 3. So 3 3 3 9 parts the cube will be cut into. Okay, with 4 cuts. अब क्या करोगे? Mix this cut as well, which means I'm doing 2 cuts like this, one like this and one like this. Okay, now tell me, with this 6 cuts the cube will be cut into how many equal parts? 2 2 and then 2, 27. correct. Okay, अब होगा 27. अब वो ऐसे कट होगा like 3 centimeter का was the bigger cube and now it is cut into 27 smaller cubes. So 9 at the top, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 at the top, 9 in the middle, 9 at the bottom. And if you want to visualize, it will look like this. What is there right here in front of you? Okay, it will look like this figure. These are your 27 cubes which are already cut and given to you. So each of the smaller cube will be this. This is one of 27. Okay, that's how you cut it. So visualize it right. Now imagine all these 27 smaller cubes are there in your hands. So you had cut it, pura cut kar diya, and all the 27 cubes are right there in your hands. Now I ask you a question. Out of this 27 cubes, how many cubes are there which are having 3 faces colored red? So each of this cube, jo 1 centimeter ka hai, will have 6 faces, right? Yeah, because it's a cube. Right. So now my question is, out of those 27, how many are there which are having 3 faces colored red? So think about it. How many cubes are there jinka 3 faces will be exposed and 3 faces will be inside? Where will you find this cube? कहाँ मिल रहा है ऐसा cube जिसका 3 faces will be exposed and 3 faces will be inside? So I can see one here. One face colored red. I'm painting it in yellow, but you understand that it is red. One more face, I'm putting it here in green, but you understand ye bhi red hai. And one more face, I'm finding it here. So 3 faces colored red. Kahan mil raha hai mujhe? Where am I finding it? Corner. Kyun kya? The cube which is there at the corner will be the cube which is having 3 face exposed. Right, जो क्यूब कॉर्नर पे होगा उसी का 3 faces will be exposed ना, and 3 faces will be inside. So how many corners are there? 8 corners. Right, so 8 such cube you will find, one at every corner. One at every corner. So 8 such cubes you will find which will be having 3 faces colored red. Okay, so out of 27, you know the destiny of 8. Now remaining are 19. Now with this remaining 19, I ask you the question. Out of the remaining 19, how many are there which are having 2 faces colored red? Think on this now. Where will you find 2 faces colored red? like 3 faces you got it at the corner. Okay, so 2 faces कहाँ मिल रहा है? Where will you find it is a question. So I can paint it here. See, एक तो मुझे यहाँ दिख रहा है clearly, which is this. Okay, one face colored red and another face colored red would be this. Okay, so one I'm finding it here. One I'm finding it here. This one. One face colored red and then the second face colored red. One I'm finding it here. Okay, one I'm finding it here. So can you tell me where am I finding them? Where am I finding them? I'm finding them on the boundaries, correct? Boundaries which are also called as edge. So check here. Every edge I'm finding it one. हर एक edge पर एक मिल रहा है तुम्हें. 4 edges at the top. Per edge you got one. Right? So how many edges are there? If you keep on getting this one every edge, you will keep on getting this one every edge because that's the logic. The cube that is completely there on the edge, not on the corner. जो cube purely edge पर है, only that cube will have 2 faces exposed and 4 faces inside, right? So 2 faces colored red. Where do you get them? You always get them on edges. कितना edges होता है? 12 edges are there. The question is per edge पे how many you are getting it. So how many are you getting it per edge? 1. So answer is 12 into 1. Answer is 12. So 2 faces colored red, you find it as 12. Okay, exam mein you're not drawing all this diagram. Okay, you are just putting like, okay, 2 faces colored red, you get it on edge, 12 such edges. How many per edge? Length of the edge minus 2. This is your formula. Please make a note of this. So is bar length of the edge kitna hai? 3. If you do 3 minus 2, answer is 1. So you will get 1 per edge. Okay, exam may just use this formula. We'll use this more. Just make a note of this. Okay, you'll understand this better as I take few more sums. So got it. Okay, so 12 plus 8 out of 27, I know the destiny of 20. Remaining are 7. Now I ask you a question with the remaining 7. Out of the remaining 7 cube, how many cubes will be there which are having one face colored red? Correct. Answer here is 6. Okay, 6 such cubes you will find which are having one face colored red. So let me paint it here. Which is that cube? I can see one here. The cube that is purely there on the face. Okay, so this is your face. Right? Per face pe how many you are getting it? 1. Okay, or that is again quite a logic. The cube that is there purely on the face, not on the boundary. Okay, purely on the face will be having one face exposed and 5 faces will be inside, right? So face wala hi cube hoga for which you are having you are having one face exposed. So one face, where do you get? You always get it on face. 6 such faces. Okay, the question is per face पे कितना मिल रहा है? So per face, again there is a formula for this. Okay, length of the edge minus 2 का square. Please make a note of this as well. This will be helpful in the next problem. So length of the edge कितना दिया है? 3. 3 minus 2 कितना होगा? 1. 1 square क्या होगा? 1. Okay, so 6 into 1, answer is 6. So one face colored red, where are you getting it? You get it on face. 6 such face. Question is per face पे कितना है? So exam में you don't draw the diagram, you just use the formula. Length of the edge minus 2 का square. So 3 minus 2, 1 square is 1. Okay, so till now, how many are over? 26 are over. So out of 27, 26 are over. Now the question is this, how many are there which are having no face colored red? So how many for that? This should be simple now. No face colored red कितना होगा? Out of 27, 26 are over. So one which is there in the middle, which you cannot see from outside because it is there inside somewhere here. It is inside. You cannot see from outside. That will be having no face colored red. Okay, so how many are there with no face colored red? One. Okay, that's how you complete it. So exam में कैसे solve करोगे? You don't have to do all this. See, exam में use this formula. This was just for your understanding that what is actually the problem and how do you cut it. It's for your right visualization. Okay, but how will you solve such problems in exam? This is how you should solve it, just by formula. Three faces colored red का आंसर हमेशा क्या होगा? 8 because they are always there on corners. Two faces colored red कहाँ मिलता है? Edges पे मिलता है. 12 edges are there. Question is per edge पे कितना मिलेगा? That is given by the formula length of the edge minus 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. Length of the edge is 3 centimeter. So 1 per edge, 12 into 1, answer is 12. One face colored red, where do you get it? You always get it on face. 6 such faces. The question is per face पे कितना आएगा? Okay, that is length of the edge minus 2 का square. So 3 minus 2, 1. 1 square is 1. 6 into 1, answer is 6. And no face colored. For this also you have a shortcut. Okay, it's a 3 by 3 by 3 cube. So क्या करना होगा? Just do this. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, minus 2 with every edge. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 1 cube will be there inside, which will be having no face color trait. Okay, please make a note of all this formula and shortcuts, then we'll solve the next problem. Okay, I hope all of you have made a note of this. So let me give you the next problem now. You can take 2 to 3 minutes and try this problem. Okay, there is nothing new about this problem. Everything that we have seen here is same. It is just that this time the length of the edge is 4 centimeter. Rest everything is same. Okay, so start thinking. Let me know what do you think is the answer. Okay, I'll solve it after 2 to 3 minutes when you give it a thought. one student just asked me here, can you explain the formula part? I'll explain everything again. Okay, so don't worry. After this problem, I am repeating everything again. Okay, this is your sum. Take 2 minutes and try this, then I'll solve it for you. Try and visualize, then put the formula. Okay, let me help you here now. Now see, instead of a 3 centimeter, this time it's a 4 centimeter cube. So क्या change होगा यहाँ पे? You will be having one more extra cube here like this. Okay, such that it becomes a 4 centimeter cube. And from every edge, this time you will get 4. Okay, so last time you did 2 to 2 cuts and you got 3, 3, 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 27 equal parts. Okay, this time you will be doing not 2 to 2. This time you will be doing 3, 3, 3 cuts. And you will be getting 4, 4, 4 parts. So 4 into 4 into 4, 64 smaller cubes it will be cut into. Okay, and imagine this is now a 4 centimeter. So there is extra one layer that is being added here of 1 centimeter. Okay, everywhere it will be like this. That is how it will be cut into 64 smaller cubes of equal size. Now I ask you a question. Out of this 64, how many are 3 faces colored red? So 3 faces colored red कहाँ पे मिलता है? Corner पे. 3 सेंटीमीटर का हो या 4 सेंटीमीटर का हो, कॉर्नर कितना होगा? 8. So 3 faces colored red कहाँ कितना होगा? 8. Always the answer is 8. 2 faces colored red, I told you. Where do you get it? Can you tell me where do you get 2 faces colored red? What did I told you? Where do you get 2 faces colored red? Edges. Okay, कितना edges होता है? 12. Okay, the question is per edge पे how many are you getting it? So उसका formula था. Now please make a note of this. Length of the edge minus 2. Okay, so this time what is the length of the edge? 4. So 4 minus 2 कितना हो जाएगा ये? 2. Okay, so this time you will get 2 per edge. So 12 into 2 ये कितना हो जाएगा? 24. Okay, that is what your answer will be. Okay, now imagine कैसे होगा? This is your edge. Take out 2 from the corner. If you take out 2 from the corner, this time you will get 2 per edge. So this is the first one. And this is the second one. This time you will get 2 per edge, which are 2 faces colored red. That's why you got this. As I said, exam में diagram draw नहीं करना है. Just use the formula. Okay, similarly check it here now. One face is colored red. One face colored red कहाँ मिलता है? Face पे. Right? This is what we saw. 6 such faces are there. The question is per face पे कितना मिलेगा? So again, try and think here. This is your phase right now. Okay, I can give you by formula as well. इसका formula हमें पता है. Length of the edge minus 2 का square. Right, so this time the length of the edge is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. So this time you will get 4 per face. Last time एक ही मिला था ना? This was the one. Last time you were getting 1 per face, right? Which is having 1 face colored red. This time you will get 4 per face. Now let me tell you how. So is face को I'm taking it out. Okay, it's not 3 centimeter, it's 4 centimeter. So let's draw a 4 centimeter cube here. As I said, this is just for your understanding. Just use formula in exam like this. Okay, कुछ ऐसा cube होगा 4 centimeter this side and 4 centimeter this side. 4 into 4 total number of cubes कितना हो गया 16. Okay, per phase. Last time कितना था 3 into 3 9. 16. Now out of this 16, I will take out this corner wala. Can anyone tell me why? Why am I taking out this corner cubes? Because they are 3 faces colored red. Okay, मुझे one face वाला चाहिए ना. Then I take out this one, edges. Why am I taking out edges? Because they are 2 faces colored red. मुझे क्या चाहिए? One face colored red. So boundary निकाल दिया from the face. How many are left which are purely on the face? 1, then 2. Let me draw it right. As you can clearly see it here, this 4 cube. Okay, these are the 4 cubes which you will find per face. Okay, so that's what I'm doing it here. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. वही लिखा है यहाँ पे. This time you will find it 4 per face. 6 into 4, answer is 24. So 24 total number of cubes will be there which are having one face colored red. So in exam you just see one face पूछा है, that is always there on the face. 6 such faces. How many per face? That is given by the formula. Length of the edge minus 2 plus square. So answer is 24. One face colored. Okay, and now the last one. No face colored red. So how will you solve this? It's a 4 by 4 by 4 cube. So what will you do here is minus 2, and minus 2. I told you, na, this is the formula. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 such cubes will be there which are there inside. Okay, imagine this is a big cube, 4 centimeter guy. So 8 cubes will be there inside which you cannot see from outside, which are having no face colored red because they are not exposed. Okay, that's why they are having no face colored red. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Anyone has any query, let me know in the chat box. Did you get it till here? Anything you want me to repeat? Saloni, I hope you got the formula part now. Okay, so try on this one. Now it's a 6 centimeter cube and I'm not telling you anything. Just use the formula. Okay, don't even think of a diagram here now. You will not be able to visualize. Just use the formula and tell me the answer. Only one student gave the answer. What about the rest? Just use the formula and find the answer. Okay, let me solve it again for you. Let's solve it together now. 3 faces colored red कितना होगा? Yes, rest of the student. 3 faces colored red कहाँ मिलता है? If you're not getting it, ask me please. सिर्फ फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. 3 faces colored red, where do you always find? On the corner. 8 such corners, so इसका आंसर 80 होगा. 2 faces colored red कहाँ मिलता है? Edges पे. 12 such edges. Can you tell me per edge पे कितना मिलेगा? इसका फॉर्मूला था. What is the formula? Length of the edge minus 2. Okay, so length of the edge कितना है? 6. 6 minus 2. बस L का वैल्यू चेंज हो रहा है in all the sums. So 6 minus 2. This time you will get 4 per edge. 12 fours are 48. You'll be having 2 face colored red. 1 face colored red कहाँ पे मिलता है? Phases. 6 such faces. The question is per face पे कितना आएगा? That is again given by length of the edge minus 2 का square. So length of the edge is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 6 are 96. And no face colored red, again इसका भी formula है. It's a 6 by 6 by 6 cube. So what will you do here is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So 6 minus 2, 4 into 4 into 4. 64 cubes will be there inside, which you cannot see from outside, having no face colored red. And that's how you find it out. Is this clear to all of you? Yes. What about the rest of the student other than Divyansh? Are you getting it? None of you gave the answer. You just have to apply the formula. Still, you did not get the answer. So, are you getting it, other students? Sir, we texted on co-host. Okay, let me just check it here. I think the host and the co-host has switched. That's why I'm not. Okay, you texted on co-host. Okay, that's what. Okay, now what has happened is since my network was lost, the host has become co-host and the co-host has become host. Okay, that's why I was not able to read. Got it. Now you put it to host. Okay, sorry, my bad. The only thing that happened, I log in again. So co-host and co-host swap. So let me give you next question. Now please put private message to host. Okay. Next question is this. Instead of a 6 centimeter, now I give you 8 centimeter cube. All the questions are same. Tell me the answer. Saloni, 600 and 1000. How did you get that? Wrong formula use किया है. Check the formula again. Shreyansh, what are you saying? Are you speaking or have you typed something? I cannot see your message. You just asked, am I right? But I don't know what you asked.
सर आंसर दिया है ना.
Okay, so let's solve this quickly now. Okay, and let's see what is the answer to it. So three faces colored red कितना होगा?
Hello?
Where do you get them? Three faces colored red कितना होगा? You always get it at the corner. 8 such corner. So
8.
8 is the answer. Two faces colored red, where do you get it? कहाँ मिलता है two faces colored red? Edges पे मिलता है हमेशा. How many edges are there? 12 such edges. Okay,
72.
question is per edge पे कितना मिलेगा? Can anyone tell me इसका formula क्या है? Per edge पे कितना मिलेगा?
72.
That is
Length
given by a
minus
formula. What is the
length
formula?
minus
Length of the edge minus 2. So इस बार length of the edge कितना है? 8. So 8 minus 2 कितना होगा? 6. So this time you will get 6 per edge. 12 into 6, the answer is 72. Okay, next comes one face colored red. अब one face colored red कहाँ मिलेगा? Where do you find it? On the face, right? So 6 such faces.
2, 4, 6.
Okay, Shreyansh, you can speak once I'm done. Okay, I'll unmute you and then you can speak. One face colored red, where do you get it? You get it on the face, right? 6 such faces are there. Question is per face पे कितना मिल रहा है? So one face colored red. उसका formula क्या है? Length of the edge minus 2 का square. So length of the edge कितना है? 8. 8 minus 2 कितना होगा? 6. 6 square कितना होगा? 36. So this time you will get 36 per face. So 36 into 6 कितना होता है? 216. One face colored red. Okay, and in the end you get no face colored red. So uska bhi formula hai, it's a 8 by 8 by 8 cube. So what will you do here is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6, 6. 6 into 6 into 6, 216. 216 smaller cubes will be there inside, which you cannot see from outside, having no face colored red. Okay, anyone wants to ask anything? Let me know. Any one of you who wants to speak can speak now. Okay. So I hope all of you got it now. Okay, that's how simple it is. Just use the formula and reach on to the answer. So पहले हमने किया था. Let me just revise everything now. कहाँ से start हुआ था? So we started with a 3 centimeter cube. Okay, which is here. So 3 centimeter cube. Then 6 centimeter cube. then 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, what is the only difference here? Length of the h is changing. So that's what you have to always use in the formula. L minus 2 and L minus 2 का square. Remember this and this minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, ये इसका आंसर तो 80 होता है. And I told you how is this happening. Okay, so we have visualized this well. क्या color कैसे होगा, cut कैसे होगा. So we know everything. Okay, that's it with this part of cube. So make sure you apply all these things. After this, you will be having some doubts, but we'll take them in doubt solving class. Okay, if I tell you everything now, you will be further confused, which I don't want you to. Okay, one problem you will not get it. Exercise 1, problem number 10 to 12, which I want you to try because that cannot be solved by formula. Okay, you have to cut, visualize, right, and then only you can reach on to answer. You will realize once you solve this problem. Okay, why it cannot be solved by formula. This is what we'll take it in doubt solving. Okay, so please make sure you solve the exercise problem on cubes. After cubes, we jump on to dice. Again, dice is the most simplest topic you can get. You have to just visualize it right now. Okay, so dice, what kind of problem you can expect. So what is a die? Dice is nothing but, I'm sure all of you must have played Ludo. Okay, while you play Ludo, you have a die. This has numbers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 number on a dice. Now the question that is given here is, this is one die only. These are 3 different pictures of one dice. एक ही dice है, but उसका 3 different pictures are given here. What you have to think here is, 3 numbers are given. Tell me the other 3 numbers. So tell me 1 के opposite क्या होगा? Tell me 3 के opposite क्या होगा? 2 के opposite क्या होगा? Okay, by looking at these images. So take your time, take 2 to 3 minutes, keep thinking, then I'll tell you the method. Okay, so let's start solving this sum now. I'm sure all of you tried. So let me tell you the method. Okay, so पहला मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ 1 के opposite is which number? Okay, so how can I start from here? 2 के opposite देखते चलो. That will be easy. Or 1 के opposite, whatever you want to start from. So let's see. अगर 1 के opposite, if I am getting something, I'll start from this. See, 1 के opposite कौन सा number नहीं हो सकता है? Which cannot be opposite to 1, 2 and 3 because वो तो 1 का neighbors है. What else cannot be opposite to 1? 6 and 4 because they are also neighbors of 1. So what cannot be opposite to 1? 2 नहीं हो सकता है, 3 नहीं हो सकता है, 6 नहीं हो सकता है, 4 नहीं हो सकता है. So what are you left with? 1 के opposite क्या होगा? 5. Right? Because 2, 3, 6, 4 नहीं हो सकता है. 2, 3, 6, 4 are the neighbors of 1. So neighbors है तो opposite कैसे होगा? So 1 के opposite it is 5. Okay, similarly you check it up. 3 के opposite क्या होगा या 2 के opposite क्या होगा? Let's start from this. So 2 के opposite what cannot be there? It cannot be 1 and 3 that is opposite to 2. क्यों? क्योंकि 1 और 3 तो neighbors है 2 का. Okay, what else cannot be opposite to 2? 5 and 6. क्योंकि 5 और 6 is also neighbor of 2. Check image third. Okay, so it cannot be 1, it cannot be 3, it cannot be 5, it cannot be 6. So what is opposite to 1 now? What are you left with now? 4. Okay, so 2 के opposite it is 4. So got this. तो अभी बची क्या गया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is opposite to 3 then? 6. All clear. Okay, now let them ask any question. We are ready with it. So which number lies at the bottom face of dice 1? Bottom of dice 1 is what? 4. Okay, option number A. Which number lies at the bottom face of dice 3? Okay, 5 के opposite what is there? 5 के opposite what will be there? 1. So I'll mark here option number 1. Which number lies opposite to 6? Opposite to 6 is 3. Option number C. Can you tell me the option answer for 4? Which of the combination shows the number adjacent to 4? Yes, adjacent to 4 is what? See, 4 के opposite क्या है? Let me just see first that. 4 के opposite it is 2. So ये तो answer होगा ही नहीं. If 2 is opposite to 4, how can it be adjacent? Okay, so बच क्या गया? Option number D. 2 cannot be opposite to your 4. Okay, because 2 is adjacent. Sorry, 2 is opposite. Okay, so it cannot be adjacent. Then which of the following number does not appear on any one of the adjacent surface of number 3? So what is the answer to this? Answer is 6. क्योंकि 6 is opposite to 3. If 6 is opposite to 3, वो adjacent कैसे हो? Okay, so that's how you deal with the puzzles on dice. It is very simple. No formula, nothing here. Just visualization. बस visualize करना है and you have to reach on to the answer. Okay, nothing complicated here. So practice this problem as well now. Okay, no complications, as I said, just see the images, visualize and reach to the answer. Okay, and this completes our dice part as well. So this is what we had done. Let me summarize everything before we end this thing. We completed early today. So first we did number puzzles. As I said in the number puzzles, the logic could be anything. Okay, so all that you need in number puzzles is practice. The more you practice, the better you will be at this problem. So please solve the exercise problem on number puzzles and you'll be good with it. Then in cubes, we saw formulas. Okay, I just gave you formulas with the visualization. So if you cut the cube, how will you cut it? And how do you reach on to the answer? Okay, now the only thing that will change is the length of the cube. Yes, they can give different colors as well. So two-phase green, two-phase blue. Okay, but all the logic remains same. Okay, the formula that I had given you, just keep applying that. Then we came on to dice. With dice, as I said, It's very simple. One dice, they will give you 2 to 3 different image. Okay, from that you have to visualize what numbers will be there on the other part of the dice. Okay, so please practice all this exercise problem and then I'll see you in the doubt solving class. Let me know your batch number. I need to mark your attendance. So could you let me know your batch number? Anyone has any query, you can ask me now. Anything that you did not get, anything you want me to repeat, let me know now. Okay, so 12, 14. There are 2 batches here. Okay. Okay, done. Your attendance is taken. In case you have any doubt, let me know. If you don't have any doubt, you can leave. Okay, thank you and have a great day.